Action.
Hi, I'm Triana, and today... Hi, it's me, Triana, and today I'll be teaching you how to make... Oh wait, I wasn't ready. Hi, I'm Triana. Okay, though. Hi, I'm Triana, and today I'm going to be making fried rice. Let's get started. First, we're going to start by washing our veggies thoroughly and then chopping them into bite-sized pieces. I'm currently not eating meat, so I'm going to add a lot of veggies. Onion, red and yellow bell pepper, jalapeno, green onion, carrots, kale, corn, cilantro, celery, basil, and broccoli. If you would like to add meat, I highly suggest seasoned chicken breasts, and I would even toss it in chili garlic sauce and sriracha to make it a little bit spicy. Now we're going to add olive oil, enough to cover the bottom of each pan, about 1 tablespoon. I prefer to use a large wok. Now toss in the onion, bell pepper, jalapeno, carrots, and celery. Scramble 3 eggs, then add a dash of garlic powder and peppercorn medley, and then continue to scramble. Once the eggs are fully cooked, you can just leave them to the side until they're ready to be mixed in. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic into the veggies and stir in evenly. Then add your kale, your corn, and your broccoli. Let's season it up by adding 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt, a dash of garlic salt, and pepper to your liking. Stay with me, we're just getting to the good part. Time to add the rice to the vegetables. I like to use white rice, and I typically cook it a day or 2 before I plan on making it and refrigerate overnight so that I get that nice crunch in the fried rice. Now add olive oil for a better consistency. The rice is going to seem a little hard because it was refrigerated, which is okay. Just be sure to try your best to get as many of the clumps out as you can. Time for the good stuff. Add 3 tablespoons of butter. I choose to use vegan butter. It's healthier for you and it tastes just as good. Now add in cilantro, basil, and those eggs we've been keeping to the side. It's my favorite part, the soy sauce. Use as much as you like. Everyone has a different preference. I love soy sauce. I use less sodium soy sauce because I like to take my health into consideration. 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. I'm gonna circle back around with the seasoning salt, the garlic powder, and the soy sauce, of course, for a little bit more flavor. Adding some crushed red pepper for a little bit more spice. Some Frank's Red Hot. I literally put it in everything. And last but not least, fresh squeezed lime. And now I present to you my very delicious yum yum fried rice.